person in the opposition, everything party is sitting. So usually the media is always in the opposition, so this time I'm in the opposition. Anyway, all of us know that, the Jack and Jill story, how a TV channel covers Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water and Jack fell down, broke his crown, Jill came tumbling after, and you know that, I think. But it's not that easy. Television journalist's job is, be it the regional channel, be it the mainstream, when there is no, we can't say mainstream because in real sense, the mainstream is the Akashvani. At 6 o'clock, what we hear that song, that's the mainstream, what I feel. Next is Doordarshan. Covers, All India Radio covers almost 97% of the population, 99% of the geographical area. Doordarshan covers the maximum population. A week back, my son's Aksharabhyasa was there in his school. So there the priest, they made the children to chant first Matru Devo Bhava, then Pitru Devo Bhava, then Acharya Devo Bhava. So first comes Matru, then Pitru, then Acharya. You ask any Matru, do you watch a news channel? They'll say no. All Matrus, almost all Matrus, watch a TV serial. You ask Pitrus also, most of them, they watch serials. Acharyas, again, they also watch, this is not a generalized statement. This has been my experience. I was in electronic media, I was in ETV Kannada for 4.5 years. Then I joined ANI, Asian News International, that's a Reuters group. I was doing my PTC, that's speech to camera, that's what a reporter comes, stands in front of the camera and narrates the story or sums up story. That's called a PTC, piece to camera. So I've done it for almost 6 years. I was a regular panelist, in the sense moderator, anchor for all these 6 years. After that I took a break from the news channel and I went into the entertainment industry. I acted in a serial called as Mukta Mukta, which is a top 1 serial in Kannada, which has viewers across the world. We had our discussions on that serial in US. We released our CD in US and we used to have regular interactions with our audience. But this has been my personal experience that when I go into public, 6 years of the news channel, very few people used to identify me. Oh, Subhash Agarwal, what's this Subhash? So used to come in the news channel. But when I started acting in TV serials, it was very difficult for me to come out from my house without wearing a helmet. The moment I stepped out from my house, my neighbors used to wait for me because they used to have some people, all this kind of. My point is, the influence of news on people is less. It may be there, but it's on this, intellectual or the people who are, you can say news hungry. So on that, but if you consider a mass, not an audience, but if you consider mass, the impact of entertainment industry, be it Colors, be it Balika Vadhu, be it Kotrodi Magde, be it Unsumata Zhoka in ZTV Marathi. So the influence of TV serials, the programs, the entertainment industry is much higher than the news. So the intellectual people or the really people who are interested in politics, crime, environmental issues and other things, they usually watch the news channel. And of course, we have our own opinions as far as news channels are concerned. I will take the subject of the influence of social media. That's maybe Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or blogging on the television, or the vice versa. Before that, I'll just try to. I don't know how many of you know about the Karnataka situation. I'll just try to brief in a few seconds the situation in Karnataka. We have 8 major news channels. Udaya TV started in 1999-2000. Then we have TV9. Leading the top number one news channel. Then we have Samaya where I used to work, Janashri, Public TV, Kasturi, Suvarna, and recently, last month, Raj News that also started its operation. All these regional channels have their reporters at 30 districts of Karnataka. Each channel has its office in the district headquarters. They have 4 Mbps line through which they upload their footage and upload their script. In a big districts like Bangalore, or you can say sensitive districts, for example, if something happens in Bangalore, suddenly the communal rights start, very sensitive area. Districts like Bangalore, for that matter. So there are 2 reports, there are double reporters. So overall, every news channel has 40 to 50 reporters. When you consider the same with the national news channels, you take NDTV, Aaj Tak, CNN, IB, whatever it is, they have, say South is neglected first of all, by all these news channels, South is neglected. When the CNN, IBM started focusing on Bangalore and Bangalore Kappa and all these things, so the channel started thinking, oh, यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है यार, देखेंगे TRP का कुछ मिलता है क्या नहीं. Then everybody started focusing on South. So I have 1 reporter in Bangalore, maximum 2. They cover entire 30 districts. So now imagine the power of a regional news channel and the power of, I'm not degrading the national channels or exaggerating the regional news channels. I'm just analyzing the power of what these regional news channels are. Why called regional news channels? Just because they, they are just limited to a region, particular region. I think this is not a right way of analyzing a news channel, because every news channel is telecast in US, Canada, Saudi Arabia, everywhere. We had a story on a student. He was an SLC student. Just this year, he passed with 90 plus marks without going tuitions, without taking tuitions, and he was very poor. His mother was ailing, and he wanted some help. When we heard the story, the help came from Saudi Arabia. So people watch our channel there also. So why call Kannada channels, or for that matter Gujarati channels, or Hindi, Bangla channels as regional news channels, and these are mainstream news channels, standing as like this. We're going to do something there. You have those, you see that those logos, right? And of course there's copies and everything happening here. So whatever in Kannada there is one saying, Hiriyakan chadi mane mandigella. That means whatever the elder sister does in the home, it's copied by everybody. There's something happening in there. In Star, there is a crime program. I hope you must remember that. The guy with a ponytail.
Yeah.
आज की रात आप देखेंगे इस वक्त की ताजा
Go on doing this. And you see the same kind of anchoring in regional news channels also. Well, that has been exactly copied. It's very easy to copy. Okay, my whole point is, when you look at the media, first of all, it's not that easy to do job for journalists, especially in Karnataka, because we are the gulamas. Gulam hai hum घटनाओं के. So if something happens, if something marvelous happens, we have a rush, but really work. There's always a positive side and a negative side for each industry. Same with this. So 8 news channels in Karnataka, having 30 to 40 reporters at districts. In bigger districts, we have 2 to 3 reporters. We have 18 bulletins on an average, or half an hour bulletins, and out of that, 10 to 12 bulletins on an average are live bulletins. And it's not easy to do a live coverage or a live bulletin. So you actually need to visit one PCR, that's called as production control room, wherein there will be a panel producer sitting and will be giving commands to the anchor, simultaneously giving commands to the audio person, giving commands to the video person, giving commands, taking a phone, doing multitasking. So you should really watch, it's exactly like AR market, with that confusion, that commotion, and he has to concentrate and do that. And we have something on our teleprompters. So when we rotate that, so we see the script and we read the news. So many a times, the journalism is called as avasara sahitya, that means literature in a hurry. So some wrong things come up, we read it in the wrong way, and we have, we get all the comments. In Kannada ಬರಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಬರೀಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. We do blunders. I agree with that. I don't say that I have all the answers for the questions, because I also have questions. Now coming to the relation between social media, be it Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or blogging, to the regional channels. There's still a kind of a feeling of untouchability with these clickists. The regional channel call these people clickists. They are clickists, and they consider these all clickists are sitting in AC rooms and just the corporate touch and all. They don't want to take these people very seriously. There are reasons for that. I'll analyze that. But coming, what the exposure national media gives to this Twitter, Facebook, or social media, and what regional media gives the exposure, again, coming to that. I think regional media stands first in terms of social media, or accepting the happenings that are taking place in social media. I'll give you a few examples. There was Kasturi Rangan coming, and he just finished a press conference, and he was about to wind up his press conference. An English media journalist came and asked, so I asked the question, what's your name? Kasturi Rangan was very humble. He said, I'm Kasturi Rangan. Oh, okay, he wrote Kasturi Rangan. To which field you belong to? Kasturi Rangan smiled and he walked away. This happened in 2006, and an English channel reported like this. We don't have such a bankruptcy, at least in regional news channels. At least we have a sense that such questions should not be asked. People come here, and this is not just related to Bangalore or Mumbai or whatever it is. See, if any reporter who is working in Mumbai, Marathi येत नाही, तो काय शिकणार तिकडचं? If you don't know Marathi there in Mumbai, what reporting are you going to do there? If you don't know Kannada in Bangalore, I don't say you should finish Pratama Vidya, Rashtrabhasha and all those examinations and do a PhD in Kannada, but at least you should be able to understand what Kannada is, the regional language is. If you don't understand your regional language, I'll bet he will not be able to understand either English or Kannada or Hindi. That's what that's what the dilemma these national channel reporters are facing. Not all, of course, most of them. And the same like the Jack and Jill story. वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? हाँ ये हो रहा है. वहाँ पे ये हो रहा है. Few fixed questions and few answers. We all know that. This can, of course, also happens in Kannada, but not to this extent. When there were bomb blasts in Bangalore, not the recent BJP headquarters bomb blast, but the earlier in Swami Stadium. So there were certainly comments on the Facebook, condemning the incident and everything, and there are suggestions to the BJP government and the Congress government there, the center and everything. And all the channels actually put their cameras, placed their cameras in front of the computer monitors. They asked one of the reporters from the desk to analyze what kind of comments are coming in Facebook and Twitter, and they analyzed it. So they gave a platform even for these, clickists, what they feel actually on this. And of course, there is a sense of, kind of namo, okay, these people are not from our community, you can say. Because there has, electronic media itself is at a very infant stage. It's just been hardly 20 years since Star and NDTV have come up, or other news channels have come up. The oldest TV channel in Kannada is Udaya, 12 years, just 12 years. One. And we have other news channels, 4 years, 5 years old. There's still a confusion in electronic media itself, what to show and what not to show. And it's also a fact that people are behind TRPs, television rating points. So television rating points actually decide the content on the TV. So if you, media is always behind three C's, we all know: cricket, cinema, and crime. Because these things generate TRP. Now what is this TRP? This is the television rating points. We have something called a time boxes. So the stories are decided by this. So if there's a fashion show in Bangalore, that's given a full coverage because people watch it. So if a farmer commits suicide in some Bidar or Yadgiri, it will not generate any kind of a TRP. When P. Sainath wrote Everybody Loves a Good Rot, he was covering this farmer suicide in Vidarbha region. there he mentions there are 6 journalists covering Vidarbha farmer suicide cases, and there was at the same time in Mumbai there was a Lakme fashion show going on, and there were 450 journalists covering the same fashion show, Lakme fashion, from all angles, top angle, bottom angle, all kind of angles. So he decides the stories in 2 ways: shining stories and soapy stories. So shining stories are those which generate your TRPs, and on the basis of TRPs only the advertisement companies give ads to the television channels. That's very important. That's a better earning thing. So soapy stories like farmer there's the suicide of farmer, or there's the inauguration of public toilet. There's a farmer who has done some good work and he wants he is in need of money or he's in need of support. Those are not shining stories. वो कुछ नहीं होता उसके बारे में. We have the words like in Karnataka there will be something called as Sahitya Sammelana, Akhila Bharatiya Kannada Sahitya Sammelana. So we are heading towards 80 Sahitya Sammelanas, and this happens at the state level, and people, Kannadigas from across the world participate in this Sahitya Sammelana. It happens in a very big way. In this Sahitya Sammelana also, so TV channels don't cover this. Hardly 1 or 2 channels. This was cover this. Because these are not TRP generating stories. Nothing will happen there. वहाँ पे कोई किसी का शर्ट नहीं फटता, कोई किसी का पत्थर नहीं गिरता, वहाँ पे मर्डर नहीं होता, वहाँ पे क्राइम नहीं होता, वहाँ पे रेप भी नहीं होता, क्या करेंगे? And in serials, it happens, how serials, the storyline is decides is, what happened in that serial at 2 o'clock start, at 2 o'clock start. This Uriad serial, the storyline is this, ETV storyline is this. Okay, Udia TV channel, there is one rape happened at 2 o'clock. Oh, is it? So tomorrow 2 rapes in our serial. This is how the serial, this thing happens. And same happens in news also. If it is doing a live on some particular thing, then there is live again in other channels also. Same happened recently with Naganach. The CD which was 3 years old was given to the media, and the media exploded with all Naganach. The most thing which was not, the media was not expecting. Media is highly upset on the 2013 Karnataka Assembly elections because just one party got full majority. We wanted Hung Assembly, yeah. Hung Assembly was maza, yeah. We can go take bites, do all stories. So in media also this happens. The point is, media is not the actual people who decide the content on media. They decide on the basis of these TRPs and few mindsets what we have. Maybe mindsets set by the national media or by these TRP generating things. And the owners of these channels also, be it national or be it regional or the state level. So the owners and the people who actually create the content there, there's a mismatch. The person who is sitting at the top wants TRP, wants money. Government of India, or for that matter any government, considers media as service. It doesn't call media as industry. Doordarshan is service, Akashvani is service, FM Rainbow is service. But for the private people, media is industry. Now, we have invested, we must earn from that. And unfortunately, media is the least profitable business. It's not easy to cover an event. You want a cab, you want a driver, you want petrol, you want camera, you want tripod, you want reporter, you want camera assistant, you want cameraman, you want tape, or you want P2 card, you want editing system. And to produce 1 minute story, a reporter on an average spends 4 to 5 hours to do that story. It's like biryani sagadange, same happening there. So the profit is very less. The channels which have a bouquet, like print, the combination of print, electronic media and radio, they are making profit. यहाँ का पैसा इधर डालो, इधर का पैसा उधर डालो, and somehow manage. The channels which are actually doing only a news channel or a print server, like for that matter, which are doing only news channel, they are not doing profits. They are in huge loss. And it's, however intelligently you spend or you do storage, it's a fact that you start earning the profit after 3 years. To start a channel, you require 45 to 50 crores. Once you start a channel, the expenditure of any state level channel is almost a crore. Say 80 lakhs to 1 crore per month. 50 lakhs to 60 lakh goes in salaries. It's not easy to run a regional news channel. And after that, above all this, you want to make profit. So everybody is behind profit, and that's, I think it's not wrong. Industry person who is sitting at the top and demanding for a profit, it's true. But there's a difference between, again, the service and industry. So the person who is the content head, we have something called as input and output chief. Input chief and output chief. Input chief, the responsibility of input chief is the 30 district reporters. So get the news from them and give it to the output. The responsibility of the output person is to edit it, to give a polish, decide the time, give it a frame and then edit. They actually don't decide, they just decide whatever the content comes, whether it should go or not go. But actually they don't decide about the concepts, they don't decide about the programs and everything. Everybody is behind this TRP. Now, in regional channel, there's a mindset that there's again a clash between old type of journalism and new type of journalism. Because as I said, this is at a very infant stage. People who are from old type of school of journalism, they say that don't do this blogging. Blogging is time waste. Facebook is time waste. Twitter is time waste. Don't do that. And in many TV channels, Facebook is banned. If you open Facebook page, it won't open because it's banned by the IT department. There's also a reason for that. Most of the reporters, most of the staff, they have Facebook accounts, but not for for discussing social happenings or incidents, because they have their Facebook accounts only for the purpose of their own personal chatting and this. Many of them don't have Twitter accounts at all, because again, people don't understand what this Twitter is all about. If something Sunny Leon does, publishes some photograph, then only everybody, hey, Sunny Leon download Madhava, download Sunny Leon. For that particular media is limited, that's very true. Again, coming to blog is hardly, you will find 2 to 3 or 5% people having blog. And there are anonymous blogs, that's different. So the activity happening in anonymous blog, who left job where, who is flirting with whom, who is joining which company, for this you have lot many blogs. But for actual news based discussions and everything, you don't have that much of required blogs. The situation needs to be improved at 2 levels. At the same time, again, the problem from the corporate side or cliquist side. So we call them for discussions. So there is a discussion place now. Howda, Saturday to drop weekend to TV. I mean, we don't run on Saturdays and Sundays. We have a 24-hour news channel. If something happens there, we should be ready to go to sit on the panel discussion and have a discussion there. Situations don't wait for Saturdays and Sundays or weekends, right? So we have this experience also. Howda, ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಕನ್ನಡ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? That person is basically from Sirsi or Yellapura, this small village. The person is speaking, howda, English ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. And he comes to the channel. He will be representing the social media or this thing. But you can't hear him, because at least you should speak. Nowadays nobody speaks in that people language or Kannada. You take it any language, it's great. At least क्रिया को कन्नड़ का इस्तेमाल करो या हिंदी का इस्तेमाल करो. So that's also a problem. So there's one kind of this untouchability kind of thing has developed between these regional media also. That needs to be somewhere bridged. The people like me have tried to bridge this gap. I'm a blogger myself, and I have taken many stories from this blogs and everything. But highly, I'll just finish in 2 minutes. So one thing, media is highly dependent on media and internet, or internet if it is, it's on YouTube. They're highly dependent on YouTube. 20 to 30% of the programs are from YouTube. Either it's just for laughs, gags, and somebody is doing some go for all those things. Second thing, we take it from science-based program. So YouTube is the major source of news. So if YouTube is closed, half of the Kannada or regional channels are closed. So even for that matter, entire television industry is that highly dependent on YouTube. That's where the relation is. This is the fact. This is the ground reality. I think I'll stop here. So we can discuss on how to merge this or how we can win. Print has started its own Kannada for that matter. It has started something called as Vibhashita. Whatever comes in, we have Subhashita, right? So it has started Vibhashita. What is this Vibhashita is? Whatever comes in Twitter, so they usually put it in, this thing. So earlier somebody asked, what are the names of these three monkeys of Gandhiji? So there was a sudden reply from someone else. This happened in Twitter. Priyanka, Sonia, and Rahul. So it was not. One of the newspaper published that, and the actual is I think Misazaro, Ikazaro, and Kikazaro, something, three monkeys from in Europe and Japan. They have Misazaro, Ikazaro, Kikazaro. Such things happen. Newspapers take that. Even for that matter, there is one newspaper called as Udayvani, a very strong newspaper on this Karavadi belt. They actually they have a separate column for Twitter, thoughts, and the entire column, the space of that Twitter column is much more higher than the space of this letters to the editor column. So you can imagine how much weightage it gives to this Twitter accounts and whatever happening in Twitter. I think the responsibility lies at the both ends. We need to understand the media and the way media is working, the requirements, the anivaryatas of media. And at the same time, the media also needs to understand. I don't I don't blame entirely on the clickist community, but media also, of course, needs to learn a lot of things. There's a lot of good stuff coming in, so it also needs to understand and accept whatever comes from this particular community also. And I think there should not be any difference between TV and social media, because I think both are media. So there should not be any gap. But the synchronization needs to take place. There's no sync between this the clickist and the TV media thing. I think I'll stop here. So we can start discussing.